addition buttons also. Add dots, set on click listener, view dot on click listener, keep info dot get text. Okay, sorry, set text, not use get text. Get text dot length is equal to 0 and result dot get text dot length is equal to 0. If both text are blank, then we will display message as please enter the number. For this we use toast. Toast is used to display message. Toast dot make text. This is syntax of toast. Then whatever message you want to display, right here. First enter the number. Comma toast dot length short dot show. Else if result dot get text dot length is not equal to 0, then we perform action is equal to addition. Okay, we will see it later. Then else here we use compute method. We not declare it, so it will give error message. Action is equal to addition. Okay, so first let's declare compute method private void compute if not equal to double dot is name value 1. This means if we enter value 1, then it goes into if loop. Value 2 is equal to double dot parse double info dot get text dot to string. It means if the value 1 is entered, then they will ask for enter value 2. Okay, here we require the switch action case addition. Value 1 equal to value 1 plus value 2. So after addition of value 1 and value 2, we keep this value in value 1. After this, we require break statement. Do the same for all the addition, multiplication, subtraction and division. After done with this, lastly we use case EQ and we simply need break statement over here. And after that we require one else statement. If we do not enter value 1, then it will ask for enter value 1. Okay, result dot set text string dot value of value 1 plus addition sign. When you enter first number, then it will show over there as result dot set text to string dot value of value 1. After doing this, we set info text to as null. Do the same for all the operations like addition, multiplication, subtraction and division. After done with this, let's start with equal button. Equal dot set on click listener. New v on click listener. Okay, here also we require same condition. If info dot get text dot length is equal to 0 and result dot get text dot length is equal to 0, then we display message first enter the number. Else action is equal to q result dot set text result dot get text dot to string plus string dot value of value 2 plus equal to sign string dot value of value 1. Okay, don't confuse over here. Okay, I will show you how does it works, and at the end info dot set text null. Okay, I will show you how does it work. So 5 plus, let's take one example. 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. Okay, you can see when we enter first number, then this will happen. Okay, string dot value 1, this means 5, and after that we use division symbol. So here we use plus symbol. Okay, this is our first statement. So it will show 5 plus. Okay, and this is our second statement, string dot value of value 2. Value 2 here is 6. 5 plus 6. Then we use the equal to sign. And after that we use the string dot value of value 1. This is because, okay, here you can see after doing the addition of value 1 and value 2, we keep the answer in value 1. Value 1 plus value 2. That's why we use the string dot value of value 1. So it will show 11. And at the end, clear button. Okay, if info dot getText dot length is greater than 0, char sequence name. Okay, char sequence is an interface which will face one character, one by one character. So that's why we use char sequence interface over here. Info.setText.name.subsequence. Subsequence will return char sequence. Okay, you can see char sequence require two parameters, start and end. You can see start and end. Here we start with 0 and end with name dot length minus 1. Else value 1 equal to double dot not number value 2 double dot not a number. Info.setText null, and we also do the same for result. Okay, after done with Java coding, let's run the program. Here you can see my mobile. Let's build it. Glider build is running. Successfully finished. So this app is successfully installed in our Android app. So I will show you how does it look like. Our app is successfully installed. Let's do some calculation. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. 2 divided by 0 will be 8. If you like our video, then like, comment and subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys.